Hi everyone! So today I just wanted to share something I'm really excited about. This is actually my very first Michael Kors bag and I still cannot get over how beautiful it is. I've been eyeing it for a while and I finally decided to get it. It's called the Michael Kors Arlo Large Triple Compartment Shoulder Bag and I got it in black pebbled leather. As soon as I took it out of the dust bag, I could already feel the quality. The leather is soft and slouchy, but it still holds its shape really well. It's the kind of bag that feels both casual and polished, which makes it perfect for everyday wear. Whether I'm going to work or just meeting a friend or a coffee. The gold hardware is one of my favorite parts. It's super shiny and really gives the bag a classy, luxurious look without feeling too flashy. And I also love the little details like the logo on the center pouch and the stitching all around. Everything just feels really well made. And now let's talk about the inside. This bag actually has 3 main compartments, which is honestly a game changer for me, who likes to keep things organized. Moreover, the inner lining of the bag has that signature Michael Kors look, and there's a small pouch inside the center compartment where I sometimes tuck receipts or small cards. One of the first things I noticed was how solid the bag is. The bag can stand upright on its own, which I really appreciate because I don't like it when bags flop over when I set them down. It makes it easier to grab things when I'm in a rush. In the middle zippered section, I usually keep my more personal or important items, things like my wallet and a small makeup pouch. Inside the makeup pouch, I just carry a few essentials like lipstick, a compact, and maybe a small mirror, just enough for quick touch-ups during the day. In one of the side compartments, I usually keep a book because I tend to get bored easily when I'm waiting somewhere. And I also carry a pen, my hand sanitizer, and of course my AirPods. These are the little things I reach for often, so I like having them in easy reach. I also bring a power bank just in case my phone battery runs low. And honestly, this bag has quickly become my go-to for daily use. I love how it keeps me organized, fits all my essentials, and still looks sleek and stylish no matter what I'm wearing. On the other side, I keep a few more comfort items like lip balm and hand cream, especially if I know I'm going to be out all day. So yeah, I'm genuinely really happy with this purchase. It's my first Michael Kors and I feel like it's such a good introduction to the brand. I just love the structure and compartments without sacrificing the style. When I wear the bag, it feels really comfortable on my shoulder, not too heavy even when it's full. And because it's black, it goes with pretty much everything in my wardrobe. I've worn it with office outfits, casual jeans like this, and even dresses. And it always adds this elegant touch without being too much. Alright, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!